Hi, this is Wigglecado. I am making a series of 3D modeling tutorials for beginners on Nomad Sculpt. If you are interested in this topic, please consider to subscribe for more related videos. Today, we are going to learn forms and shape by breaking it apart. I will use this chocolate bar as an example. Alright, let's get started. Every time you sculpt something, you need to have a base to start. Have a good look at your model and break it into simple forms. Look at this chocolate bar to see how I break it apart. In this case, I am using a box for the basic form first and I increase the topologies to work with. Now, when you look at the side view of the chocolate bar, you can see this shape here. So I am going to turn the side view and cut out this shape by trimming. Extrude it from the box shape to a rectangle like a piece of block. After this, it is becoming a chocolate bar shape. Alright, let's work it to another side. The chocolate bar has a curve running on the body. To model it, I'm creating a cylinder to match the curve. Then I duplicate more cylinders to match the whole area. To merge the shapes which I want, select all the objects and hide all the cylinders by cutting it like so. It has now become a complete chocolate bar shape. The edges are too sharp, so I smooth it out. Use split to break apart the chocolate bar to two pieces. Because of the cut, the topologies have been decreased. So, I subdivision it. Now, I am masking the layer of chocolate. I sharpen and invert the mask in the right area. Then add some texture on it by changing the alpha. Again, I use the same masking method for the wafer layer. Then I use inflate to make holes to build the inside of wafer and nudge to twist a little. For the middle part, I just push it in to make a concave, so that the filling can fill in. After I have finished both sides modeling, I start to adjust the angle and the render view. Turn the perspective on for exaggerating 3D looks, and switch the turntable mode to trackball mode, which can give you freedom to rotate an angle you want. I also add a camera to save the position which I have made. Now, I start to apply some colors on the model. Because the shape is very bumpy, I zoom in to painting the detail parts. For the filling section, I use tube to make it. Tube is a very good tool for building a complicated shape. I will show you more later on. To make the head and tail point able to adjust, click this button. Click again to adjust every point from the path. Subdivision for smoothing it out and adjust the path. After I am happy with the base shape, I validate and push it to fill up the area. Since the wafer color is too flat, I add some more colors to make the holes deeper. I also add some honey filling between those holes like so. Now it is time to make some melted chocolate on top of the bar. Again, I turn it to the top view and draw the chocolate paths by using tube. This way, the tube will attach to the bar, which I don't need to do much for the adjustment. And I just hide the end of the tube to make it more round like so. Here you go, a sweet bar for your day. Alright, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.